Hi, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. In today's SQL Accounting tutorial video, I'll talk about quotation. Let's go to SQL Accounting, go to Sales module, Quotation. Now, the sales cycle will always start with quotation, then customer confirm on quotation, customer will send in the purchase order, that will be our sales order, then we deliver the goods, it will be delivery order, and we invoice them is invoice. So for quotations, it is actually reference price that you send to your customer to let them know what is the price that you're going to sell to them, what is the item or service that you're going to send to them. Well, if your company do not use quotation, then you can skip this part. So let's go to quotation. So in quotation, same as others, once you go in, is all the quotation that you have created before. For individual columns is actually a searching criteria for you to search the previous quotation. Let's say you want to search a quotation with a number of 8, then you type 8, then it will appear. If you cannot remember the quotation number, then you can use the company name to do the searching. Let's say you search for 80. Okay. If you want to use other criteria to search for the quotations, what you can do is right-click any column title, field chooser, just drag any column that you want, maybe phone, just drag out. So phone is up here. If you don't want, you can just drag, put it back. Or you can right-click any column that you don't want, remove this column. Another trick is at the column title, most left there is a small button with multiple lines. You can actually call out the field that you want or untick it to make it disappear. So over here also, what you can do is there is a lot of formulas available. Then example at amount, you want instead of equal, you click on it, then you can select either other criteria such as is greater than as a filter criteria. Is greater than, let's say it's 5,000. So it will filter out for you. To create a new quotation, click at the new button and type the customer name. So you can see that you do not require to memorize the customer code, item code, supplier code, or account code in SQL Accounting System, because by typing the name or description, it will come up automatically. If let's say when you type the name, nothing come up, it's because the focus of searching is at another column. Now it's at column company name 2. So to make it back to company name, what you need to do is just click on the tab key, tab one time, go to currency tab, code tab, company name. So type the name. As you can see, when I type K, all the company name that consists of the character K will come out. It is because at this bottom, this A is at the middle. If the A is at the left, then it will search from the left for the company name. So normally I use this one, it's easier. So hit E, got it. Quotation number will come automatically because it will use the next number. The date agent terms will come out automatically. Of course, you can edit it. For item, just click at the item code, type the name, it come out. Okay, quantity, this is the reference price that you maintain under the item. You can give discount and so on. So let's sell this at maybe quote at 5 quantity. The unit price, maybe we give a discount, maybe 10%. Okay, so you can see that there will be a discount, 10%. Let's say after 10%, customer request a $5 plus another 5%. No problem, we calculate for you automatically. Please remember, in SQL discount column, we support unlimited level of discount. If you put in percentage, then it will be a percentage discount. If without the percentage sign, then it will be an amount discount. Okay. So back to normal. For those who are not under SST or GST, just right click the column title, remove it, because this is, right click column title, remove this column, because this is not applicable to you. So you can make the screen much more create. So if you want to add in another item, just click on this plus sign, select another item, or you want to key more description for this particular item, just right click on it, column title, field chooser, drag out more description. Remember, this small button also can drag out or call out the particular field. So DG, let's say you want to key more description, unlimited, key in is allowed, close it, save the changes, then save. By doing this, you can preview the document using different format. So this is the more description that you key in just now. So let's say you are satisfied with this format or the information given, you can print it out using this icon or export it to others format, example PDF. So let's put at desktop. This is called PT Quotation. Save it. Then it's over here, and you can email to your customer. So it's much more easier nowadays for you to use an accounting system to prepare all this business document. So at the left hand side, you can key more information regarding this quotation. You can do attachment. Okay, let's say you want to edit, you click on edit. You can do attachment. You can attach a document or any other information, such as, let's say I attach a picture. So then next time when you search something related to this quotation, very simple, just go here, go to attachment, double click the attachment, it will appear. Please remember, the attachment is actually not putting into SQL Accounting System, but it actually create a link to that document, meaning that when that attachment link, or you move it to another place, or you delete it, then this link is not workable. Okay, so put in some note if you want to, else this is the way to do quotation. So once again, thank you for watching. I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. Thank you.